Another interesting topic that we spend a lot of time wrapping our heads around is the future of work, but I think it's important that we make a distinction between the future of work and the future of working. So the future of working is really what I think we're spending more of our time talking about, which is, again, how we build capacities to send and respond more effectively inside our organizations, how these technologies are going to change the work that we do, how they hopefully will change some of the yardsticks in which we measure our productivity and our success around it, how we hold well-being as part of our work. Like, that's all around the future of working. Where do we work, right? What kind of hybrid style are we in or not in? How do we synchronize our work or not synchronize our work, et cetera. So that is really this whole column. There's another really big conversation around really the future of work, the value of work, the fact that how do we express our individual capacities and curiosities and energies to be able to add value to all of society. There's a lot of work that we do that is not paid work that we're using to contribute to society now. Raising children is part of it, volunteering is part of it, inventing is part of it, creating art is part of it. Those are things that are not really recognized in any way right now in GDP as the main metric, but are going to become increasingly important that we make more visible and that we incentivize, because the reality is a big chunk of the population will not be able to be retrained and reskilled in time to be part of this conversation around the future of working. And so what happens as a society when work itself gets rethought and how we distribute productivity is, again, rethought and reimagined. That's a really big conversation that I don't think we spent a lot of time on and that I think deserves a lot more of our attention moving forward.